Today for sale, I have a 1967 Oldsmobile 442 convertible, real 442. Now I'm pretty sure 442 was the an option, so it's a Cutlass 442. And then in '68, 442 became its own model. Now I'm sure if you're looking at the car, you already know that, but I like the knowledge myself. And anybody who doesn't know. Anyway, I'm gonna walk around and tell you more about the car. We'll fire it up, drive it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Here we go. So it's a '67 442 convertible, finished in its factory correct blue. I forgot the specific name of it, I apologize. With black interior, number matching 400 motor, turbo 400 automatic, power steering, power top. Nice car all the way around. Front bumper is really nice. Just a little bit of faint pitting right on that little ridge in there. Otherwise, it's really nice. It's a straight body. It's all original sheet metal. The frame and floors are all beautiful, all original, nicely detailed. I have pictures of that on the ad. Factory 12-bolt rear. Let me see. Like I said, I like to point out any kind of flaws that I do see. A little nick right there. Very factory correct engine bay. I will pop the hood now. Let me just go over it quickly, show you any flaws that I do see. I got nothing, because I already looked ahead of time. Here we go. This is the number matching 400 motor. It's got those factory correct looking exhaust manifolds on there. The factory correct air cleaner, power steering. Nice underhood. So I'll leave that open. We'll come back to that. And the code for the proof of the 442 on the original trim tag is the 5VY, showing it's a 442. I believe the other option would be 5Y, or it's 5V. But 5VY is the 442 number. I have done my research. I do know that. We'll go to the driver's side first. It's factory correct wheels with the white letter BF Goodrich tires, radials. Little nick in the paint and another little mark right there. Take my time and go through it. All of the glass is in very nice condition. I believe all the lights work, horn works, turn signals work, gauges work, wipers work, radio works. Pretty sure that's everything. I have a little weather stripping kit that goes along with it. Nice clean original car. This is popped out right here. Other than that, nice door panel. Nice black carpet all the way around. Nice bucket seats. There's a little rip here in the seam and a little down there in that seam. Automatic with the console. Console's nice condition. No cracks in that. And real nice dash pad. I don't know if there's a little guy right there. A little guy. Maybe the size of my fingertip. Other than that, the gauge cluster and the dash itself is nice. The power top does work. Has a little tack there just to help you out. I'm happy it's a nice little tack, not one of those monsters that just sits in this corner. It's gaudy. Not a fan of that. The rear bench seat is also in very nice condition, as well as both rear door panels. And the frame for the convertible top looks like it was definitely restored. Nice and black. Normally you see a little bit of surface rust coming through on these, but this one, like right there, if you do see that, that's beautiful. The convertible top's in nice condition. Just a couple of stains on it. You probably see a couple there, and a couple of those little dots in this area. but there's no rips on it. The glass is not faded in the back, or yellowed, excuse me. So that's in real nice condition, and that bottom section's nice too. It still has that little vinyl compartment that everything folds down into. Straight body, again, with the original sheet metal, you can't help it. Rear bumper is in about the same condition that matches the front. Couple little pits on some of these edges here. A little interesting that it come on those edges. Same thing there. And then it's probably original trim. I have to assume, because they don't make a lot of this. It's not replicated. You know, couple marks on these, some pitting on that, and pitting here. The same thing there. So while the paint and the body are in very nice condition, it definitely has its original chrome and trim, but trim like this, nice condition. Handles, nice condition. Nice condition. Nice condition. So I guess the more 442 specific trim, I would say, has just that little bit of pitting on there. Again, original, hard to replicate. Even these, probably its original 442 logo. Anyway, moving on. There's no rust on the body. There is no rust underneath the car. It has all its original frame and floors. I know I mentioned that already. Beautiful. Nicely detailed. And it has great sounding exhaust. I know there's cherry bombs where that muffler portion is red. Well, these are blue. I don't know if that's a different muffler or what, but they sound great. Just a little guy right there. And then right here in this section, a little checking in the paint. Right in this little circle. Past here, nothing but a chip. Couple touch-ups on this door jamb there, and a little guy on this fine line that goes across. And nice door jamb. This door panel is nice. It's not popping out like the other one was. Nice and clean. There's no rips on it. Carpet's nice. This little thing opens and closes as it should. And I actually left 2 golf balls in there from the original owner. So if you play golf, there you go. Head out, buy a tee, buy a driver, go play. I always like to leave stuff in the glove box that I find. You never know. It's kind of cool or interesting. Registration, stuff like that. You never know. You see a lot of funny stuff. So just a couple of marks on the door jamb, but it is in nice condition. Carpet's nice again. This seat's in nice condition. There's no rips on this one. It will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you are interested, check it out. And if you came from eBay, thanks for checking it out. I'm going to keep going on though, but I will do a little run through again. 1967 442, real 442 convertible, number matching 400, turbo 400 transmission, power steering, power top, finish in factory correct blue with black interior, bucket seats, console, automatic with the turbo 400. Very nice, clean, factory correct car. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. We're going to fire it up now, and we'll drive it around the block, and you can see it go. Thank you. Here we go. Here's the number matching 400 motor. You see the power steering there. We will operate the power top when it's done, but we'll fire it up now. Nice and smooth running. You can hear the exhaust in the background. Leave it down or bring it back up? Leave it down. That's a fast
brass top.